Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation B. B stands for bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for off, we convert into multiplication and square roots, cube roots and exponents. D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the step 1, solve the small brackets. As you can see here, the small bracket says 48 divided by 16 is equal to 3. And expression becomes minus 5, curly brackets, then minus 3 plus 2 curly bracket of multiplied by 6. According to this step 1, the BODMAS says we must solve the innermost brackets first. Now the second step, curly brackets. We solve the curly brackets minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 because larger digit has a negative sign. Now the expression becomes minus 5, curly brackets minus 1 and then multiplied by 6. According to this step, we proceed to the next level of grouping symbols, the curly brackets, before performing operations outside of them. Now the third step, perform multiplication. Multiply the terms from left to right. First, we solve minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 5. Note, a negative multiplied by the negative result in a positive. So the second one is 5 multiplied by 6 is equals to 30 and 30 is the final answer. According to this step, once the brackets are cleared, we perform the remaining multiplication operation. Now, by using the BODMAS, according to this expression, the final result is 30. But the conclusion says by following the hierarchy of operations, we simplified the internal division first, resolve the addition within the braces and finally complete the multiplication. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.